Confused about choosing the best dashcam for trucks today? The right fleet dashcam can make a big difference. In this review, we cover features like front and rear recording, GPS, and night vision. We'll help you understand what truly matters before buying. Let's dive into the best options available now. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best dashcam for trucks. Let's get started.
1. TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear. The TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear records clear video from the front and back of your truck. You get 4K quality on both cameras, so small details are easy to see. The wide 170-degree lens shows more of the road, which helps during turns and lane changes. It also includes a free 128GB card, so you can start using it right away without extra cost. This dashcam has built-in GPS that tracks your speed and travel route. That can help if you ever need proof after an accident. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes it easy to send videos to your phone in seconds. Night video looks excellent enough for highways and city roads. It also has a parking mode that records even when your truck is off. This helps protect your vehicle at rest stops or parking areas. The 3-inch screen is simple and easy to use while driving. The price of this dashcam is usually between $90 and $130. Verdict: this dashcam is a good choice for simple use and clear front and rear recording.
2.
ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam Front and Rear. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam Front and Rear is made for drivers who want clear and smooth video every day. It records in 4K on the front and Full HD on the rear camera. This helps you see cars, signs, and roads more clearly. The camera uses a StarVis 2 sensor, so night video looks brighter and easier to understand. You also get a free 128GB card, so you can start using it right away. It also has a parking mode that keeps recording when your truck is parked. This is helpful when you stop at unknown places. GPS tracks your trips and speed too. The price range is usually between $110 and $160. Verdict: this dashcam is a great pick if you want better night video and easy phone use.
3. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam backup camera. The WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam looks like a normal mirror, but works like a smart camera. It shows live video right on the mirror screen, so you can see behind your truck better. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear camera helps you park and reverse with ease. The big 12-inch screen makes everything easy to see. You can swipe on the screen to change views, which feels simple and fun. It also has night vision, so you can see more clearly in dark areas. This helps a lot during night driving or parking. The screen is simple, and the buttons are easy to use. The price range of WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam backup camera is usually between $130 and $180. Verdict: the best dashcam for drivers who want a big screen and easy rear-view help. 4. REDTIGER 4K dashcam front and rear. The REDTIGER 4K dashcam front and rear is built for drivers who want sharp video all the time. It records in 4K on the front and has clear video on the back. This helps you see cars, signs, and roads without blur. The wide 170-degree lens shows more space around your truck. It uses a StarVis 2 sensor, so night video looks brighter and easier to see. This is excellent if you drive late at night. It also has parking mode, so it keeps watch when your truck is parked. The screen is simple and the buttons are easy to use. The price range of REDTIGER 4K dashcam is usually between $120 and $170. Verdict: this dashcam is a good option if you want strong video quality day and night.
Number 5. IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam 360-degree view. The IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam lets you see all sides of your truck at once. It comes with 4 cameras that record the front, back, inside, and both sides. This means you can catch everything around your truck without missing anything important. You also get a free 128GB memory card so you can start using it right away without extra cost. The parking mode keeps recording when your truck is turned off. This helps protect your vehicle in parking areas or rest stops. The app is easy so anyone can use it without confusion. The price range is usually between $140 and $190. Verdict? The IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam is the great dashcam for full-view recording and simple everyday truck safety use. Number 6. SUVCON 3-channel dashcam, front, rear, and inside. The SUVCON 3-channel dashcam records 3 views at the same time. It captures the front, the rear, and the inside of your truck. This helps you see what happens both outside and inside. The video is 1080p, so it looks clear and easy to understand. It comes with a 32GB card, so you can use it right away. The camera has night vision and HDR, which helps in dark or bright light, which means you can still see details when driving at night or during sunny days. The screen is simple, and the buttons are easy to press. It also has loop recording, so old videos get replaced automatically. Parking mode keeps watching your truck when it is off. The G-sensor saves important clips if there's a sudden hit or stop. The price range is usually between $60 and $100. Verdict? The SUVCON 3-channel dashcam is a nice pick if you want a low-cost dashcam with inside recording.
7. ZMOPO 360 View 4-channel dashcam. The ZMOPO 360 View 4-channel dashcam helps you watch every side of your truck. It has 4 cameras that record the front, rear, left, right, and inside views. This gives you full coverage, so you don't miss anything around your vehicle. The video is clear and smooth for daily driving use. It comes with a free 128GB card, so you can start recording right away. The camera has night vision, which helps you see better in dark places. It also uses wide-angle lenses to cover more space around your truck. This is helpful when driving in traffic or parking in tight spots. The Wi-Fi lets you connect your phone and check videos quickly. GPS tracks your route and speed while driving. The parking mode keeps your truck safe when it is parked. It also uses a supercapacitor, which works well in hot weather. The price range is usually between $130 and $180. Verdict: a good dash cam for drivers who want simple, full coverage and steady performance.
Which best dash cam for trucks should you buy? If you want simple and low price, SUVCON is a good start. For a full 360-degree view, IIWEY N5 and ZMOPO are better picks. If you like a big screen, WOLFBOX stands out. For clear night video, ROVE and REDTIGER work very well. TERUNSOUL is a balanced option with strong value. Pick based on your need. Want full safety? Go for 4-channel models. Want effortless use? Choose simple dual cams. Budget also matters here.